Hello, I'm making my way to Heathrow Airport to go on a little trip. Should be quite interesting. I'll let you know when I get there. I'm in Finland. Can't really tell by the generic Airbnb that I'm sitting in. I'm here meeting some development companies to talk about building some of the tools, some of the ideas in my head, getting them out there. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. What I want to talk about is the next few steps in the DATABOI stuff. So it's the DATABOI update, essentially. I had some good feedback. Nobody's commented like, this is garbage, I don't understand this. Some useful stuff from people with things that I didn't fully explain properly, so that's great. More likes and dislikes, that's good too. So I think maybe I can start looking at building some more advanced stuff. But what I'm trying to figure out is, should I go down the whole general data analysis and just look at all the little tools that you can have access to? Or should we do kind of case specific, look at channels like Facebook, Search Console data, AdWords, that sort of thing. I also need to see if I have enough data to make that viable and if I can use some of that data. So that's where we are with DATABOI at the moment. It's not gone silent, just trying to figure out what we need to do next to start churning out videos. I really would like to be able to do one a week, but that's really hard and a lot of commitment and time when you've got to work in between. So I will update you on the frequency later, but I would like to do one a week. So let's see what happens. All right, so bye from Finland. Just noticed that I've got a big cross in my head here, and all the way down here, bad lighting. There's just light everywhere right now. It doesn't go dark in this country. I can't sleep. Anyway, I'll see you all soon. Ciao.